Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.7 question number 4. Question number 4 is find 7.9 divided by 1000. Let us find. Question number 1 is 7.9 divided by 1000. That will be written as 7.9 divided by 1000. First you have to know what is the rule if we divide a number by 1000. The rule is that you have to shift the point to the left side 3 digits. That means 1, 2, 3. That means it can be written as 0.0079. Now you see, the point was here, right? To divide a number by 1000, you have to shift the point to the left side 3 digit. That is 1, 2 and 3, right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 26.3 divided by 1000. That means you have to write in this way. That is 26.3 divided by 1000. That means you have to shift the point 3 digits to the left side. 1, 2 and another 1. That is 0.0263. Here you see, the point was here, right? You have to shift the digits, 3 digits to the left side. 1, 2 and 3, right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 38.53 divided by 1000. That means it is can be written as 38.53 divided by 1000, right? That means you have to shift the point 3 digit to the left side. That is 1, 2 and 1 more. That can be written as 0.03853. Here you see the point was here, right? To divide by 1000, you have to shift that digit 3 places to the left side, or 3 digits to the left side. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 128.9 divided by 1000. That will be written as 128.9 divided by 1000. That means you have to shift the point to the left side 3 digit, right? Here is there 1, 2, 3. That means it can be written as 0.1289. Here you see the point was here, right? You have to shift the digit 3 places to the left side. 1, 2, 3, right? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 0.5 divided by 1000, right? That is equal to 0.5 divided by 1000. That means you have to shift the point 3 digit to the left side, right? That means here you can write 0.00 0, 5. Here you see the point was here, right? You have to shift the point to the left side 3 digit, that is 1, 2, 3, right? This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.